Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in this video I will provide you Xenia and X Star joint AMA code, and if you put this code you will get 2000 gems free. First of all, click on missions button. Now click on X Star. Little scroll down, here you see the event Xenia and X Star joint AMA, and if you put the right code you will get 2000 gems. Click on it. Now click enter code button. Here you see, please enter code to get gems, and I will provide you the code. The code is HUMANITY, humanity, in which H is capital letter, HUMANITY. Click on next button. Here you see I earned 2000 gems as a correct AMA code. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.